We'll be talking about the robotic knee replacement systems which are available in the market these days. There are about 4 or 5 systems which are currently in use by different surgeons and by different companies. It's a very difficult question for the patient. Which robotic system should he choose, should he opt for getting a knee replacement done on himself or his kin? I won't say that any system is bad or something. All the companies, they're doing good. But the best one right now is the ROSA system. So it's by the Zimmer and it is FDA approved. Robotic ROSA system is available in North India only in 1 or 2 centers. It's a pretty expensive one and it's a complicated, highly advanced system to use. You have to have special training for working on this system. I've done 73,000 more operations in the last 2 years on the ROSA system, and it's working pretty good. And I got the training from Huntington, West Virginia in the US for the system. It's not like that you buy a robotic system and you start working with the robot itself. You have to get yourself properly trained and you have to get a certificate training for working on the system. Rest of the companies, as I would say, they are mix and match. They're more of advanced navigation system than a robotic system. So navigation we used to do earlier since 2006, and these other systems are mainly advanced navigation systems. So in short, ROSA is the best as of now in the market these days, and it's the main system which is being used in the US. So this is a ROSA robotic knee replacement system. This is the best system available as of now in the market, and this is the real robot. Like the other companies which are giving their advanced navigation system, this is the real robot. It is FDA approved and it works on the command of the surgeon. It doesn't work on its own. And there are very few centers in North India, which are only 1 or 2 centers which have this advanced system. It is USA FDA approved. I've been working since 27 years. Orthonova hospital, and I've done 743,000 joint replacements and 64,000 orthopedic procedures. This is a fairly big number, and very few surgeons in India are able to match these numbers. So the experience is great over 27 years, and I'm giving 99.9% success rate and 0% infection rate since the last 9 years. The robotic system I bought about 2 years back, and I've done 73,000. A little bit more than 3,000 robotic joint replacements. It's a great experience working with the ROSA system.